Hey guys, subscribe our channel Tech Explorer and don't forget to press the bell icon to never miss an amazing video. Hello friends, welcome to Tech Explorer. In this video, we are introducing you the net speed monitor using which you can monitor the internet's download and upload speed on your PC. So now let's explore it. First of all, download the net speed monitor tool using the link provided in the description. When you try to install this tool in your Windows 10, it will give you an error that this tool is only compatible with Windows 7 or previous versions. Now to install this tool in your Windows 10, right click on the tool, go to the properties, in compatibility, click on run this program in compatibility mode, and now you can install this tool in your Windows 10. After the installation is completed, you can see your internet's upload and download speed in the taskbar. You can also find some configuration options like the network interface you want to monitor, the bitrate, and you can also give your desired label to the download and upload instead of DNU. So friends, if you like this video, please do like, comment, share, and most important, don't forget to subscribe our channel Tech Explorer for more videos like this. Now goodbye and thanks for watching our video.